Hello everyone, it's Miss Siddiqui here. This is SAT Vocabulary Week 10. For this video, you will need your English composition notebook. You're going to read the 2 sample sentences, examine the picture, and practice pronouncing the word aloud. There are 8 words and 2 Latin roots for this week. So, first, write down a guess for the vocab word based on the 2 context sentences that you read. Copy the definition of the vocab word, and write your own original sentence using the word. Pause the video when you need to during this slideshow. So the first word is anachronistic. It was rather anachronistic when a character pulled out a cell phone during the middle of a film about the Civil War. Miss Siddiqui found it anachronistic that some students still type their papers on typewriters. This photo of Abraham Lincoln is also anachronistic. See if you can figure out why when you guess the definition of this word. Pause the video if you need to, and when you're ready, copy this definition. Anachronistic means out of place chronologically or old-fashioned. Write an original sentence using the word and pause the video if you need to. The next word is divergent. After Desmond joined the basketball team and Khalil joined the football team, their paths went divergent ways. Because Sarah and her twin sister made different choices in life, they ended up on divergent pathways. Write down your guess for the word divergent based on this context, and, when you're ready, copy the following definition. Pause the video if you need to. Divergent means tending to move apart in different directions. Once you've copied the definition, pause the video to write your own original sentence. The next word is evanescent. After the bell rang on Friday afternoon, the students were evanescent. The sharp pain in her knee when Anna ran was evanescent as soon as she stopped. Write down your guess for the word evanescent. Then, when you're ready, copy this definition. Evanescent means tending to vanish or disappear like vapor. Once you've copied this, write your own original sentence using the word. The next word is hackneyed. Because the teacher so often told students she would suspend them, the threat became hackneyed. Knock-knock jokes are considered a hackneyed form of humor. Write down your guess for the word hackneyed, then, when you're ready, copy this definition. Hackneyed means repeated too often, overfamiliar through overuse. Once you've copied that, write your own original sentence using the word. The next word is mundane. The routine of school, basketball practice, and homework became so mundane after a few weeks. When Julie's mother assigned her the mundane chore of washing the dishes, Julie stomped toward her bedroom and pouted. Write down your guess for the word mundane. Then, when you're ready, copy this definition. Mundane means found in the ordinary course of events. Once you're ready, write your own original sentence describing something that you find to be mundane. Pause the video if you need to. The next word is scrutinize. Coach Odom scrutinized every moment of the opposing basketball team to decide how to run his next play. When cashiers at a grocery store receive large bills, they scrutinize them to be sure they are not counterfeit. Write down your guess for the word scrutinize, then when you're ready, copy this definition. Scrutinize means to examine closely and minutely. When you've copied this, write your own original sentence using this word. The next word is subtle. Though sexism is more subtle today than it was during the Elizabethan period, it still exists. Derek was frustrated when Karen didn't notice that his kindness was really subtle flirting. Write down your guess for the word subtle, then, when you're ready, copy this definition. Subtle means difficult to detect or grasp by the mind or analyze. So for instance, these 2 babies are twins, but the differences between them are subtle. Write your own original sentence using the word. The next word is reconciliation. After fighting over a boy, Olivia and Aaliyah finally reconciled when they both realized he had been playing and lying to them both. At the end of a presidential election, the candidates must reconcile their differences and commit to going forward with what is best for the country. Write down your guess for the word reconcile and reconciliation, and then when you're ready, copy this definition. Reconciliation means restoring friendship or harmony. Write your own original sentence using the word. The Latin roots for this week are auto and side or size. So the words that go with auto are autograph, automatic, autonomy. Think of what you know about what those words mean and try to figure out what auto means. Did you guess self? Well, you were right. Auto means self. Try to think of your own original word that contains this Latin root. The next root is side or size, which contribute to the words germicide, scissors, and incision. Based on what you know about these words, try to guess what this Latin root means. Did you guess to cut or to kill? Well, you were right. Try to think of a word that uses this root to build the word. So make sure you have 8 original sentences and 2 words containing the 2 Latin roots for this week. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.